Admit it, you're a chicken.
In your dreams.
Then why don't you call her?
I will. When I'm ready.
You're still burned from Melanie. She dumped you, and you still can't live with that.
Are you deaf? I dumped her.
That's not what she says.
Well, she's a woman. She lies, and they all lie. And then they
what?
nothing. She just lies. And I'll call when I'm good and ready. What?
Nothing.
Come on, you've got something to say. Just say it.
Yeah, I've got this to say. You're a chicken.
Bull!
Then call her.
Okay, I will. Hey Kathy, this is Sam. Just thought I'd call, see what you were up to. Alright, I'll try again later. See? I called. Now what?
Let's go get a Coke.
So who'd you really call?
Your sister.